Hi, I'm Dr. Monica Blied, and today we're going to do some New Year's vision planning, but with a twist. So instead of thinking about what goals you have for this year, I want to eat more vegetables or exercise, instead, we are going to visualize what this year will look like and break it down to a month by month. Shout out to my pastor, Albert Tate, who had the idea of creating a movie title for 2026. But we're going to do this a little bit of a spin with it. Now, what I'd like you to do is get out a piece of paper or the notes app on your phone and think about an album title for 2026. It might be Triumph, the year of creativity. It could be Recover and Restore, whatever that is. Think about your album title for all of this year. Now, think about the individual song tracks that are going to be on that album. And you're going to create a different song title for every month of the year. So, my album title is Triumph and Revolution. Okay, do you want a revolution? Ooh, ooh. Okay. Shout out to Kirk Franklin with that one. And January perhaps might be Recovery. February, Restore. March, Healing, Grace, Wisdom. But what is yours going to be? That's for me. And this is something that I've done with my clients, but I want you to personalize it for you. So think about album title and then individual song tracks for each month of the year. If you feel brave enough, of course, you can pop it down in the comments, but I am so excited for you to visualize and then manifest and see come to real life, come to fruition, the things that you have set aside and prepared for this new year. Bless you and Happy New Year.